postcard. No song that I could sing, but I could try for your heart. Our dreams are made out of real things, like a shoebox of photographs with sepia tone loving. Love is the answer, at least for most of the questions in my heart, like why are we here and where do we go, and how come it's so hard? It's not always easy, and sometimes I believe I'll tell you one thing, it's always better when we're together. It's always better when we're together. Yeah, we'll look when we're together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. And all of these moments just the morning light sings or brings new things. For tomorrow night you see that they'll be gone too. Too many things I have to do. But if all of these dreams might find their way into my day-to-day scene, I'd be under the impression I was only so many things we got to do, or places we got to be. We'll sit beneath the mango tree now. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. Somewhere in between together. Well, it's always better when we're together. Yeah, it's always better when we're together. I believe in memories that are so